Hello everyone. So new video we are going to talk about classic limited edition 2021. So patterns of the world. There are 10 of them, and I bought only 3 of them. I'm not into buying the whole collection to collect every classic. I don't say it's not good, but I prefer to buy the one or the ones I really like. So I bought these 3 classics. Information about about this series, limited edition classic. It's gonna be discontinued by Victorinox. So this was the last year of this classic series. It's like 99% sure, I would say. So it should be discontinued by Victorinox. Of course, 58 millimeters for the length. Thickness is 9 millimeter, 21 grams, and 7 functions. So a classic. So see you in 10 seconds. So I'm gonna show you these 3 models, but I'll show you, of course, a picture with all the models for this year. A big change, I would say, is we have this cardboard box, which is the first time we had this leather. This one is from 2020, so it's a World of Soccer. And we had this. So this is brand new for the cardboard box. So we have this. So I'm gonna open all the boxes. So here are the 3 models I bought. Something new is also the tweezers and toothpick with colors. So this is new. This is a new thing from this year, and they put that for the classics for this limited edition as well. This is nice, I think. This is nice. So this one is the retro TV. So here is the number. So of course it's classic. So scissors, small blade, and nail file with flathead screwdriver. So here's this retro TV. This is a really nice one. So black tweezers and black toothpick. So this one is Mexican Zarape. Number is here. And here it is. So this one has red tweezers and green toothpick. So it's really beautiful too. Finally, we have this one, which is Cubic Illusion, and the number here. So the front is white and the back is black. Both tweezers and toothpick are black. Maybe white tweezers would have been good. This one is beautiful too. So I show you the picture with the 10 models for this year. So on top we have the first one, the one I bought, Mexican Zarape. Then we have Eagle Flight with feathers. We have tie-dye. The two last ones is all the ones I have, Retro TV and Cubic Illusion. And on the bottom we have Lucky Cat. We have Dynamic Floral. We have Ocean Life, Alpine Edelweiss, and Porcelain Elegance. So these are the 10 models for 2021. So that's it. So I really like these 3 models. Usually I buy 1 or 2, but this year I really liked these 3 models. So I think I said everything I wanted to. So as usual, like, comment if you have any question in the comment section. If you want to contact me, there is the Instagram link. You can send a private message. There is also the email address of the channel. And don't forget to subscribe, activate the little notification bell, of course. And I'll see you in the next video. So take care and see you next time. Bye-bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.